Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a testing or trying crazy Instagram makeup, whatever you want to call it, me attempting to basically do really creative Instagram makeup that very talented makeup artists have done. I just thought it'd be a really fun video. I think a few other people have done this where they try to recreate other makeup artists, you know, creative, imaginative, crazy, insane pictures from Instagram, and I follow so many amazingly talented people on there, and I just thought it'd be really fun to try and recreate something, step out my comfort zone a little bit and see what I can actually do. And this video is also in collaboration with Beauty Bay. I feel like I don't even need to explain anymore because I've mentioned Beauty Bay so many times on my channel, but it's a website that sells makeup. They are a beauty website, obviously, as the name suggests, and they've got loads of amazing products on there, and I am going to be using today their Identity palette from their Colour Theory collection. They recently launched some of their own palettes. They've got 3 of these and I did do a video about all of them. But in today's video, I'm just going to be using the Identity palette, which looks like this. It is a very beautiful palette, as you can see right here. It's got lots of like fun colours but also neutrals at the same time. It's got a big mirror. It's £25. If you want to get your hands on this, I'll link it down below. But yeah, I'm going to be using this palette to try and recreate some pretty cool makeup. So if you guys want to see me attempt to do that, then just keep watching. I'm sure you guys will have seen all of these already, but just a little bit about these palettes. Like I said in the intro, they're £25. You get 42 different shades in here, and these are what the shades of Identity look like. And the way that these work is they have a kind of grid system. So along the top, they've got numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 7. And then down the side, it says base, transition, crease, liner, pop, and highlight. So basically they have a pretty good layout for if you want to do specific looks. They've kind of paired the shades together that they think work really nicely together. So if you weren't particularly sure what kind of shades, you know, to put together to create a look, then you can just follow one of these. Say you pick number 4, then you would use this as your base color. You'd put this one as your transition, this one in the crease, this one as liner, this one as a pop of color, and then this one as highlight. So it's a really cool kind of system if you're not too sure which colors pair nicely together. Obviously you can just dip into as many colours of these as you like, which I'm probably going to be doing today. Like this red here, which is 5 pop, it is insane. Like, look at this. Look at that red. So I had a little browse on Instagram and I found quite a few inspiration pictures. I'm going to pick one of them, I think, just for today because I know this is probably going to take me ages to do because I'm not super skilled. I mean, I'm okay, I'm not bad at makeup, but these look very intense. So I'll put them on the screen, but one girl that I love in particular is called The Beauty by Bella. She has got some amazingly cool creative looks like these two. I love this one because it's kind of Halloween-y, but then I really love this whole sunset thing as well. Okay, hi, so if I look different, it's because I actually just filmed this video. I tried. I pretty much tried to do a eyeshadow look, and then halfway through filming, my food delivery arrived, and then I was really hungry, and so I was really like rushing my look. Tried to draw a bat on my eye and it went horribly wrong and just messed everything up. That was a really bad idea. And here we are again with clean eyes. I'm gonna try this again, and this time I have a full stomach. My food is not gonna interrupt me. I've decided I'm gonna try and do another look because that one was clearly too complicated for me. So I'm going to try and do this look here, which is by The Beauty by Bella, and it's this gorgeous sunset eye with some clouds and with the sun and stuff. I don't actually have a bright yellow in this palette, but I'm gonna try and do something similar using the gold shade down here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, this is the palette that I used the other day, and I actually did my makeup on the train, and I used these kind of red colors to do a cut crease, and it worked so nicely. That was for the Jeffree Can't Relate tour. I think I'm going to start with the base 6, which is a kind of mustardy yellow colour, and I'm just going to put this all over my crease, in my crease. It's just a really nice kind of mustardy, yellowy colour. Okay, I'm then going in with, by the way, if you keep looking down here, it's because I'm looking at my reference picture. I'm then going to take 3 Crease, which is this matte hot pink here, and I'm going to put this kind of like on the outer part of my crease, I think. Oh, and by the way, if my voice still sounds kind of different, it's because I'm still recovering from being ill, but I'm getting there, guys, I'm getting there. Okay, so I'm just kind of putting this on my outer corners. But I'm just going to take a bit of this hot red colour, which is 5 liner, and I'm just going to put some of this kind of in the middle of my crease. And then taking the orange, which is 6 transition, this one here, and I'm going to put this on the inner part of my crease. Is that even a thing? The inner part of my crease? I don't know. But we're going to do it anyway. And then taking this one, which is 2 crease, and it's a matte purple, and I'm going to put this on the very outer corners, I guess. This girl has kind of winged out her eyeshadow, but is that a good idea? Not entirely sure. Okay, oops, I've just kind of put that all over where I had the pink. Okay, wait, let's bring back some of the pink because I feel like I've just completely gone over that. Yeah, let's bring those colours down onto the lid as well, why not? Do I look beautiful yet? I'm then just going to take a blending brush. I'm going to dip into a tiny bit of the pink. And I'm just going to gently go over the edges without messing up everything that I've just done. And try and blend that out a bit. I mean, this girl has literally used up her entire eyelid space. So I guess I'm doing the same. Okay, so next I'm taking some concealer and I'm gonna use, wait, where is it? I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. I'm just squeezing some of this onto my hand if it will come out. Then I'm taking a flat brush and I'm just gonna cut my crease all the way across so it kind of looks like the sun. A bit optimistic. I've done cut creases before, but I've never really done them in this sort of fully rounded shape. Okay, so now that I've done that, I am going to go in with, I think I'm going to take this one here, which is the mustard yellow that I used in my crease. I know it's not as bright as the picture, but I might use this, and then if it doesn't look bright enough, I'll go in with some of the gold down here. Okay, yeah, over the top of a light base, that is a true mustard. So I think I'm just going to go straight in with the gold down here, which is 6 highlight. And just to cover a bit more surface area, I'm going to go in with my finger first. Oh. So I'm using my finger just to take most of the lid space, and then I'll go in with the brush to just neaten it up. Definitely should have used a bigger brush. Okay, what is next? I feel like now is the scary bit where I have to start adding detail. I'm then going to take this shade here, which is 6 Pop, and it's a shimmery orange, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my lid as well. Ooh, that's a pretty colour. And then I'm taking the Pop 5 shade, which is this red shimmer, and I'm going to put that on the very kind of centre bit, just here. And then just taking some of the purple shade, and I'm going to run this along my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the matte pink, and again I'm just going to run some of this along my lower lash line. Oh god, I just tried to connect it to there, but that was a terrible idea. Then on my inner corners, I'm taking this highlight shade, which is highlight number 2. And whoa, that's really bright. And I'm also taking some of this shade on my brow bone. So next I'm going in with a white eyeliner, and this one is the LA Girl Line Art Matte Eyeliner in pure white. And I think you can also get this on Beauty Bay, and I'm going to try and add some details. Not too sure how this is going to go, but I'm going to try my best. Oh, we have one bit of detailing. I feel like this is going to take a good while. And then I'm just doing some little dots. Oh god, oh dear, that was a big star. I feel like I haven't breathed in about 10 minutes. I feel like I'm actually getting somewhere. I feel like it looks pretty cool. Okay, wait, so this is one eye. I think that actually looks pretty cool. I am pretty impressed with myself there. Now I have to try and do it on the other eye. Wish me luck. My camera is definitely gonna run out of battery before I finish this eye, so if it suddenly cuts off, that is why. Okay, so as I predicted, my camera battery ran out when I was doing this eye, but I thought I would just do the rest off camera because you've seen it on this eye anyway. This is the finished eyeshadow look. I'm actually so proud of myself. I think this looks really cool and I'm so happy that I actually managed to do the little clouds. I'm not gonna lie, it took a long time, but it was kind of worth it. I think it looks so cool. Just because I feel like this video is literally gonna be 5 hours long because I feel like I've been filming this for about 5 hours, I'm gonna stick my lashes off camera. I'm just looking for them. Where have I put them? Did I say I'm gonna stick my lashes off camera? I'm gonna go for the unicorn lashes in Forget Me Not, which you can also get on the Beauty Bay website, and I will be right back with my lashes on. Okay, so this is the finished look with the lashes. This lash I could probably have done with cutting down a little bit more. There's a little bit that's kind of overhanging, so let's just ignore that. But this is what it looks like with the lashes on. I absolutely love these. They're so pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I could probably take these off now. They've been on for like 3 hours. Then for my lips, I'm using Ofra Miami Fever, which is this really gorgeous burnt orange colour. And this is the finished look. I don't really know how I feel about this lip with this eye. I feel like it's a bit much, but you know what? It will do. Okay guys, so this was my attempt at stepping out of my comfort zone, trying to do some kind of Instagram, artistic, creative makeup. I've wanted to do a video like this for ages, but I've kind of just been putting it off because, I don't know, I've been a bit scared. I'm actually really proud of myself. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks really pretty. And thank you so much to The Beauty by Bella for the inspiration. She is literally so insanely talented, and I know that mine doesn't look quite the same as hers, but I feel like it's my own kind of version, you know? Also, thank you so much to Beauty Bay for sponsoring this video. As always, I love them so much. And if you guys want to get your hands on the Identity palette, then you can get it down below. Their website is just www.beautybay.com. I don't know why I'm opening it to show you because I've just done a whole video on this. Let's put that away now. Also, Beauty Bay have very kindly offered you guys a 10% off discount code, which is just SOPH10, and I believe it runs for a week as of me posting this video. So yeah, that's just SOPH10 if you guys want to get 10% off, which is really cool. I will have it linked down below as well. So that is it from me. I literally can't say 2 words without coughing now. That is it from me. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go take some cough medicine. I'm gonna go to bed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!